Nagaraj ji, congratulations on this significant milestone of BPW's air suspension kit fitted on Green Line's 1000th vehicle. How has the relationship evolved? What was it earlier when you started from, say, number 1 vehicle, then the 500th vehicle, and now the 1000th vehicle?
Yes, first of all, thanks Rajesh for being a part of the celebration, and really it was a milestone for us, a big milestone. The vision which BPW has for Indian market, that was to some extent, of course, we are on the right path, I must say. So since 2023, so we started this journey from a single vehicle, right? So later we celebrated for 100 vehicles, and then 500 last year, and today this year we're celebrating 1000 vehicles altogether. So the best part of this complete ecosystem, I must say, it is a complete ecosystem where everybody is together on that part. First of all, these vehicles are really engineered for the application side. I must say, it's the new animals altogether. The tractors are LNG tractors, and the trailers are also been well selected. And thanks for selecting the BPW. I really congratulate Green Line on that part of taking this initiative. It's a complete Tridem air suspension with electronic brake system controlled, and then we are going step by step ahead with which I mentioned about air save systems are also being implemented here, air inflation system, which we don't see in the passenger, but today we have in the trailers. So gradually it was well engineered. We work on the drawing board, and we selected each and every applications. Either it is in a container trailer, either it is in our bulkers for the application side, and when it is coming empty, then we have to lift the 2 axles, and then digitally monitoring these vehicles too for a turnaround time, and that is also part of it. And sidewall trailers, flatbed trailers, thanks to all the trailer manufacturers coming together and helping us understanding this. And it's very rare to see such kind of a synchronization where all the partners are coming together and building the one solution.
True.
So this is what India is looking for. That's what I feel it. And the new energies are coming into place, like you have electric segment, LNGs are already on the ground now. So I think there are new challenges for the commercial vehicles, which we have to see as an opportunity where we can able to come together. Without engineering, I don't think it's going to happen. So this is something where everybody has to take a part of it and come together to make it the right product for this, which the future is really waiting for this.
Yeah.
And that's what I think we are experiencing it. Thanks for Green Line for giving this opportunity and Green Mobility System to drive all together. As you mentioned, it's an ecosystem.
Yeah.
On the application development, on the engineering part of it, and then it is a turnaround time and the fleet management systems. Everywhere we are putting up, and we are converting, going for the next with the digitization of it.
Yeah.
The tractor trailer interchangeability is the best example. We are integrating all these together and monitoring the digital things.
Certainly. If you can highlight or specify certain advantages that BPW air suspension system gave it in terms of durability, payload, or vehicle uptime, as you mentioned, are there some stats that you can highlight? Yeah,
there are some myths. We cracked it. Like, for example, air suspensions were not for tippers. That's what myth used to, the voice used to come from the industry. But we took that as a challenge, and we worked together with the Green Mobility Systems to how to integrate it. First of all, the payload, which everybody knows it's a air suspension side, where the advantages for the directly economical advantage of getting the payload in 3 ton extra. One is that on the vehicle side, it is a lesser maintenance because of the vibrations are absolutely controlled. Even on the off-road side, we are, I think more than 80 vehicles are running in the mining segment today since the last 2 years. This is the area where we have to focus on, and I think a good example for the future to deal with it. And the electronic braking systems, I must appreciate that today all the trailers are equipped with the electronic system, where we still had to put it on the tractor side. So these digital is ready. These suspensions are digitally ready on the axle load also, if you wanted to calculate it. By October onwards, I think the government is also thinking about the RFID for interchangeability system. Yeah. By April 2027, you have a VLTD data even for the trailers. So there, this digitization and the complete overhaul of the trailer which is taking place, that will definitely help us in building the new systems altogether in the industry.
Perfect. Yeah. And what's the next phase of growth, not just with Green Line, but planned for similar operating conditions with different operators and trailer manufacturers?
Yeah, we have different challenges, but we take it as an opportunity. First of all, addressing the applications, we've done this on the ground level now. All engineering product can work with the air suspension. Completely air suspended vehicles can run on Indian roads on every corner with the different applications and terrains that we already proved it on the ground. So now we are elevating it to the digitization of it. Digitization, like as we said, interchangeability is what government is also focusing. Unless until you have a digital control over the trailer, so interchangeability may not be possible, and we have to have integrate with these trailers with the digital side of it. And now it also helps in the fleet management system, like how efficiently you are using the trailers. probably the ratio may come to 2.3 or 1 is to 2.5 ratio. So where we even the government is also interested to understand these turnaround time, and the tractor efficiency can be configured together altogether. And yeah, we are maintenance is something that without the digitization, as Mr. Vijay has also mentioned, the maintenance is something that we cannot miss out here. If you have a digital information, because most of the trailers are on the tires are on the trailer.
Yeah.
So now tire saving is something related to the operating economics. So when you save something tire because of the air suspension, that will really help us in saving the logistic cost, which is really the challenge for the Indian market altogether. So I think this is the version which we are going up. And we are coming with the new expansion plans together, and I think we are absolutely ready for the future market of India.
Perfect, Nagaraj.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Wish you all the best for
Thank
all
you so
your
much,
plans,
Rajesh.
and all the best again.
Thanks
Thank
again.
you.
Thank you.